Okay, so for the trigger not working issue, pop off the silver bezel on the front of this thing. It's no longer on mine because it fell off a long time ago, but it can just pop off. Once the bevels pop off, there's 2 screws. This is a T9 bit. So, get your screwdriver set out. T9 screw, 1 comes out, 2 comes out. This bezel then lifts off. Set it aside. This trigger then comes out. This trigger is in 2 pieces. So if yours looks like this, then they need to be put back together. And this only happens one way. There's a little, here. There's a little tongue here on this side to make sure that it goes in the right orientation. But this goes in the back of the trigger like so. That snaps in. Then this drops back in like this. You'll figure out how it's seated. As long as it triggers and clicks, then it's in the right place. Then you just put this thing back on. If the silver bezel snaps back into place, great. If it doesn't, don't worry, it's just cosmetic. We'll just tighten these 2 down. I've learned to keep this bit size in the field with me because if my trigger stops working in the middle of an inspection due to the trigger becoming misaligned, then I can remove it and fix it. That's it. Thank you.